Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create professional Facebook ads using Canva. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new MacBook Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the social media tab. And at the social media tab, you will see there are three different sections: the popular section, Instagram, and Facebook section. And obviously, if we are creating a new professional Facebook ad, we have to open the Facebook ad tab. And here, Canva will automatically open a page for us, which has the right ratio and format and type for the Facebook ads. Now you have two choices here. You can either go to the Canva photos section and choose photos from their library, or upload your own, or add text boxes and any graphic design elements, or you can use one of these professional Facebook ad templates, which are designed by professional designers. So I would recommend using these because these have a very high engagement rate and sales. So just choose one of these templates. You can also go to the search bar and search for any specific niche, for any specific industry that you would like to look for. And when you have your template, you can customize it, you can change the text, you can type in your business name, you can add your logo, you can add prices, you can add your website, you can even change the background picture or colors or anything. Really, the sky is the limit. And as you can see, they have hundreds and thousands of different Facebook ads. Some of them are videos, as you can see, like this. If you prefer animated ads, or just pictures, as you can see, there are quite a huge choice. These for travel ads, travel agencies, or anything. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.